Welcome to my channel, The Secret Recipes. How to improve your looks and personality. 8 habits of super attractive women. Hello friends. Today we are going to talk about how to have an impressive personality in your social life. There is an amazing power getting to know your inner self and learning how to use it and deal with the world. If you know what fulfills you, your character, interest, and abilities, simply use them and everything else flows beautifully. Number 1. Create an impressive smile. Your smile should have confidence in it. Smile to everyone where you make eye contact. A smile makes a direct place in the heart of the recipient. A wrong smile to the wrong person at the wrong time may get you in trouble. Understand when and how to give friendly smile and formal smile. Number 2. Learn social skills. It is said that our real self is hidden behind our tongue. You need to sharpen your social skills to create a good relationship with the people around you. Use positive gestures, communicate with everyone, and never give off a negative vibe. Learn how people want to be treated, what they want to hear, and what they don't. Number 3. Always keep a cool. It's not easy to keep cool or get nervous in difficult situations, but you need to have confidence in yourself. Know that your strength is inside you and you just need to find it. People with strong personality don't let anyone get into their head. They don't get angry and always keep a cool. This gives the impression that they are strong and they know it. Number 4. Learn to say no. You don't need to say yes to everything and be available every time. Saying no means you value your time. Saying no is the best tool you have for distancing yourself from negative people or situations. Number 5. Be confident. If you are confident, you will feel people are attracted to you. They may not necessarily be attractive in a romantic way, but they would not mind being friends with you. Confident people give off a vibe of reliability. Number 6. Take care of yourself. Building up your personality in a positive way can make you more attractive in your professional and social life. Regardless of how old you are, there is always room for improvement. So start exercising, eat healthy, and use products to maintain good hair and skin. Number 7. Learn from your mistakes. Human is bound to make mistakes. Forgive yourself and move on and keep on working until and unless you don't achieve what you want. Number 8. Try to stay happy. Staying happy is important to stay healthy. Throw all the negativity out of life. The people who know these things about themselves are always loved and admired by others. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.